All right, so we're gonna do an example of a new biconditional problem. So on your practice problem sheet, this is problem 1A. This problem is asking us to do a biconditional. That means if and only if. So if I do P biconditional R, then a disjunction with not Q. So the first thing we have to do is draw our truth value line. Okay? I know from previous problem that the proposition P, that perpendicular lines form a right angle, is true. I know proposition Q, parallel lines do not intersect, is true. I know that proposition R, supplementary angles sum is 90 degrees, is false. Then, after you write the truth value of each of the statements, then you're gonna do your negation. I only have one negation, not Q. I know that Q is true, therefore not Q is the opposite, which is false. Then I'm gonna work with what's inside my parentheses. What's inside my parentheses is the biconditional P biconditional Q, R. I know that the only way a biconditional is true is if they have the same truth value. That means both P and R can either be both true or both false. So let's see. P and R, so P is true and R is false. They do not share the same truth value. Therefore, this is a false biconditional. Therefore, after you do the biconditional, then you have to see that this is a disjunction. Now, it's a disjunction with not R. So I'm gonna use my green marker again. So I know that this is false and this is false. I know that in order for a disjunction to be true, one of the statements have to be true. Unfortunately, both of these statements are false, therefore, this whole thing is false. I just don't have enough room to write it down. So I'm just gonna put an arrow.